Hey guys, welcome back to Living 757. Now, you may ask yourself, what does an artist need to be unique? Some may say creative freedom, and the Mermaid Factory is doing just that. They provide an atmosphere similar to that. And here to tell us a little bit more, we got Melanie, Eva, and Alex joining me today. What is happening, ladies?
Well, today we're going to be painting mermaids.
Painting mermaids, okay, all right. So Melanie, explain, because I see it's like 4 different mermaids is going on here. So.
Yeah, so when you come into our store, you start out with a blank mermaid like that, or we have some other options as well. And you go through different steps where you paint, add glitter, add bling, and end up with a final product like this.
Oh gosh, so I can tell you now, my product is not going to end up as good as that. So then, of course, you got all types of different type of paint brushes, but just for time, we're not even going to paint. We're just going to understand that this is how it starts. It's how it starts out, and then this is what my painting would look like on a mermaid. Okay, all right, so what step am I going to be at right here, Alex?
Okay, so this is step 1, which is when you come in and you grab your plate, grab your mermaid.
Okay.
First you'll paint your mermaid, and you have to do 2 coats if needed.
Okay.
After that, then you'll move to step 2.
Step 2, so this is the part that I hate. Glitter, because it's everywhere, all right? Shouts out to Jessica.
Yeah, so...
All right, so this is glue?
Yes, so you'll take your glue and you'll take a paintbrush, and wherever you would like the glitter to be on your mermaid, you'll dip your paintbrush into the glue and paint your mermaid.
Okay, all right, so I'll let you prepare my glitter, and I'll ask you, Melanie, now, can you tell us, like, where are your locations here in the 757?
Yeah, so we've got one in Virginia Beach and one in Norfolk.
One in Virginia Beach and one in Norfolk. Now, hold up. Both of you, are y'all twins?
No, we're actually 2 years apart.
You're 2 years apart. They look just alike. I thought y'all were twins. Okay, all right. So what is your role here at the business?
So I am a co-owner, and so is Alex.
Okay.
Yep.
Co-owner. Okay, so y'all kind of tell the bosses what to do.
Yeah, they're my boss.
Nice, nice. All right, so as soon as that glitter is ready, we will start putting some glue and then some glitter.
Can you do this one?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, you can
Oh
turn
yeah.
around.
Oh yeah. I'm super excited because I
You could
can't
probably
wait.
just do her hair.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, let's do that.
All right.
So
all
you'll
right.
take your paintbrush.
All right.
And you'll dip it into the glue.
Dip it into the glue.
Yep. And then you'll paint her hair, which is where you want the glitter.
Okay.
So do a little thick, kind of thin coat.
So thick, thin coat.
Yep.
Okay. All right. So just on the top is fine.
No, the whole hair.
Oh,
This is
so
where you want the glitter.
it's the whole hair. So I gotta show it's the whole hair. All right. So I got boom, boom, boom. All right. As you can see, I'm very sloppy. All right.
Yep. And then now you'll take then you'll lay her down, right?
A layer down. Okay. All
and
right.
then you'll take your glitter and just sprinkle
Oh,
it lightly
all right,
over
let me
her.
move
You
that
can
up.
just use the cup and sprinkle it over.
Oh, you know what?
There you go.
That's why
Then you don't have to get your
y'all
fingers dirty.
are the professional. All right, got you. So I got some glitter on this young lady's hair.
Yep, and then you'll just shake it off.
All right.
Little, and then you can put some on the top.
Oh, that's some. I think I over glitterized her hair. So, Melanie, really quick, can you talk about the types of services and stuff that you guys offer there?
Yeah, so when you come in, you can paint plaster statues. We also have some wall hanging plasters that you can paint.
Okay.
And we have ornaments, wooden ornaments as well.
Cool.
And they come in, so the plaster statues come in mermaids, dolphins, shells, and starfish.
Ooh.
And then we always have a seasonal, like a rotating animal.
Yeah.
Right now it's the narwhal. Which is kind of cool. The kids love the narwhal.
Yeah, and as we can see some of the pictures of some of the stuff that you guys have done. It's pretty cool. Now, Eva, can you do me a favor and get this hot glue gun ready? Because now I'm going to attempt to put some stuff. Oh, so is it ready? Is it hot?
Yeah.
You shouldn't touch the glue gun tip. All right. All right. So we're going to put some glue. Where are we putting the glue so I can put some...
So wherever you want to put your accessory on, so
Okay.
you can use a hat, you can use a shell.
Okay, let's do a hat because I'm from Texas. So so do we put the glue on the hat?
So yeah, put the glue on the hat. Okay,
Okay.
you want me to do it? Okay.
The glue is going on the hat. Oh boy. All
And
right.
then you can put it wherever you want
And
the
I can
hat to
put
go.
the hat, all right, let me give her a Texas style look. It's gonna be kind of tipped to the side. Look at that. That is what I like my mermaid to look like, right there. Cool text. Okay, so really quickly, segments go fast. Where can we find you guys? Like on the internet, on social media, and all of that?
Yeah, so we have a website, mermaidfactory.com.
Okay.
And then we're also on Facebook and Instagram.
Nice.
Which I believe you have on the TV there.
Yeah.
And yeah, and then also hopefully we'll be starting a TikTok.
Oh, TikTok. So that's when all y'all
thing
do all the
soon.
dances
Yeah,
and everything.
I'm trying to talk
Oops, sorry, I
Alex
just
and
kicked your
Eva
foot.
into doing a TikTok for us.
Awesome,
But,
awesome. Well,
yeah.
if you see the smiles on their faces, that means you guys are going to enjoy doing all these cool activities. Thank you, ladies, for stopping by, and I appreciate it. And I didn't glue my fingers together this time. That's why I had you do it. Thank you.